We've almost done 75 kilometers and man, I'm struggling. I get dropped on every climb, having to rest, having to stop. Good morning everybody. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning and Peter and I decided to go to Belgium to do a bikepacking overnighter. We just parked our car at the train station in a small town called Eupen. And our route is a 200-kilometer route that will take us into Germany and then back down in a clockwise direction back into Belgium. The route has just started, 2 kilometers, and we were out of the village of Eupen. We're on gravel now, and it's almost tradition that every route has to start with a climb. So here we go. I hope you guys can see my screen. This is only the second climb, registered climb of this route. It's over 9 kilometers long, and this is the final bit, the last bit. Oh man. The traditional hiker bike, I think this is over 20%. Peter just made the classical error of losing his flip-flops. Here is only one. I'm hoping we can find the other one. Mystery solved. I found the other one. It was just 50 meters back. Hello. Quick update. We had to do a bit of detouring, take the normal road instead of the forest, because large part of the forest, apparently they are working here. You can't get in. Lumberjacks at work, I guess. So yeah, does mean that we don't get to see parts of the route. I think because we had to take that trip around the forest and not go through it, the route itself will be a little less long, but it's still beautiful. We still have a kilometer to go on this climb, and I think that we only managed to ride it up 50% because it's all hiker bike. It's so steep. Oh man. Hey guys. Hey guys. End of day one. We did little more than 90 kilometers. I'm dead. I'm completely dead. Every climb was was horror. Yeah, but we made it to a campsite in a village called Hellenthal. It's quite nice, very quiet. The holiday season in Germany has ended, so not many people here. We just had a schnitzel and some fries, and now a coffee, and then I'm going to bed really early. See you guys tomorrow. Morning guys, it's almost 7 o'clock on the second day of our route. I slept pretty well actually. I'm still trying to keep quiet because a lot of the campsite people are still in their tents and caravans and campers. We're grabbing a coffee now. We just made some. I'm gonna have some breakfast, and then it's back on the bike, and hopefully a better day than yesterday. My lungs are feeling okay at the moment, but I don't know what will happen when I get on the bike and do our first climb. We'll see. I'm feeling just as bad as yesterday, guys. Whew. Don't think I will be able to finish the full route, but we'll see. A couple of videos ago I was talking about being grateful for the good days. To be honest, I'm also grateful for the bad days. Today, and especially yesterday, absolutely it was a bad day. I feel like I'm breathing through a straw. Every little bit of uphill I lose speed on, and I just have to take it super slow. But it's still a gorgeous day, guys. I'm still alive. I'm happy you're here with me. So let's just keep on keeping on, whatever. We decided to shorten the route. So we made one on Komoot, and it's 50 kilometers back to the car. Whew. Almost there, guys. Just 5 more kilometers and we're back in Eupen, Belgium, where we parked our car. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me struggle. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Made it.